on YouTube? It is your boy Wingstop Hoppy, and we are back to another video. Now in today's video we have a sneaker unboxing, and this one I'm very excited about because I've been wanting this model for a while, since I first saw it and since the first collaboration, and they've just been selling out. I haven't been able to get them. However, I was doing some homework, or I was doing some research per se, and I actually found these sitting on Hibbert Sports, and these actually came out like 2 weeks ago, so I was surprised they were sitting. So I figured I would pull the trigger and try these out for you guys. But before we get into today's video, hit that like, subscribe, and feel free to follow me down on Instagram down below to see how I style my sneakers and outfits. Now, like I said, I've been looking for this model for a while, and it is a New Balance, but you can tell by the title of the video. Now, I'm a huge New Balance fan. I haven't picked up a New Balance since that like 992 multicolored I did a video on. But like I said, I really wanted this model, but they were selling out pretty quick, and I think it's because the $90 price point on these. So this is definitely the most affordable sneaker I've reviewed on my channel probably so far. So that's why I'm also very excited about it, is when you get a dope shoe for like under $100, it's always a huge win. So let's just get right into it. First and foremost, we just have a standard New Balance box. Pretty much just a gray box, nothing special. Sizing label reads MS327CLB Lifestyle, and size men's 10. Open the box and you can see I got my receipt from Hibbert. So shout out them. I've never actually ordered from Hibbert Sports before. I mean, it's totally legit. I know it's like a retailer, but let's just get right into the shoes, and bang, bang, here they are. Let me pull out the other one as well. Now, as you guys can see, these are blue and yellow. Not my favorite color combination, but it's not navy. But this is more of like a royal blue than like a navy blue, so it's cool. Regardless, these are pretty fire in hand. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I was super impressed. Now, right off the bat, this suede, as you can see on here, I'm gonna give you guys some close-ups as well. This suede on here is so nice. I mean, I just reviewed that like Jordan 1 2 weeks ago, that Zoom, and I was commenting on how nice like the suede was on it. Now this suede is unreal. Like, that's what I love about New Balance, is that even though this is a $90 shoe, they still went all out with the materials, and I appreciate that a lot. Now, besides the suede, most of the upper is just nylon, which on the medial side it looks like it's going to be creased in. However, it does look better when it's on foot. I did actually put these on, and another thing I did, as you can see, these have white laces. They came with blue laces, so I decided to throw one white in and one blue, because I think I like the contrast with the white a little bit better than the dark blue. But like I said, there's your like lace bag that it came with. But you guys let me know which one you guys think looks better, the blue lace or the white lace. And then you have a yellow midsole with this like waffle bottom. It's pretty much like based on a 70s running shoe, which has like really come back in style. We see like Nike dropping the Daybreaks. You guys obviously probably know about the Sakai waffle, stuff like that. So definitely that style is back in. And this is actually a brand new model. This is not like a retro New Balance. This is a brand new model they've been bringing out this year, and I think they killed it with these. And like I said, the price point on these is A1, 90 bucks. You can't really go wrong. I know they've dropped a few collaborations on these, like the Concepts collab, the Casablanca collab. Those retail for a little bit more, and those do resell for like $100. The Casablanca collab is at like $350 right now. The Concepts one is still like, I mean, I don't want to pay 200 bucks for this shoe, but if you really want the Concepts collab, it's really not like reselling for that much if you think about it, because you get like a Jordan shoe for 200. But regardless, getting back to these, now for sizing on these, I'm just going to say this once. I go down on all my New Balances. I figured out with the New Balances I have, they tend to run long. So I'm a true size 10.5, but I go size 10 with these. Now, these are a little narrow, as you guys might be able to tell, like in the midfoot area. However, I really had no issues. They fit me honestly perfectly. So if you have standard to narrow feet, I would just go with that half size down standard New Balance sizing. That would be my tip. But if you do have wider feet, I would still stay true to size, and you should be okay, because like I said, they do run long like most New Balances do. And yeah, what I'm gonna do for you guys, since I'm actually back at my parents' house this week, getting ready for like Labor Day weekend, etc. I'm actually gonna wear these the whole week. This is the only pair of like running and walking shoes I brought with me. The other pair is a pair of LeBron 7s. So when I go, so when I go out walking, I'm not gonna be wearing LeBron 7s, obviously. But I'm gonna give you guys an updated review. So that should be done by the end of next week. So I'm gonna let you guys know how comfortable these are, how they held up over the week of wearing. And like you guys know, a typical walk for me is like 4 to 5 miles. So we're gonna be putting miles in these this week, and we're gonna see how they hold up, and I will let you know these are worth your 90 bucks. By the way, I forgot to mention this. Man, I keep missing these details, but this tongue is actually pretty sick. So you got the NB on the front, and then on the back of the tongue it says the Intelligent Choice 327. I thought that was a nice touch. I sold it, but I used to have an Aimé Leon Dior fleece that said the Intelligent Choice on the bag. It was the New Balance collaboration, I think like last spring. But regardless, I like this shoe so far in hand. For 90 bucks, like just in hand, it definitely feels like this could be like $130, $140 shoe. But like I said with New Balance, I just like always appreciate them just using great materials on their shoes. Even like, I think these are super fire. So yeah, look out for the video coming probably at the end of the week. I'm gonna give you guys an updated review. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your Sunday or whenever you're watching this video. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.